So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in Microsoft Teams. Now you're gonna click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna click on terminate, and now you're gonna click on repair. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been repaired, relaunch Microsoft Teams and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're gonna click on terminate. Now you're gonna click on reset, and then click on reset again. Now you want to reset Microsoft Teams, which is now going to sign you out of Microsoft Teams. So once you reset Microsoft Teams, you're going to go back onto Teams and then log back in, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till we find Microsoft Teams. You're going to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall Microsoft Teams. And then once you uninstall Microsoft Teams, you're going to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to search for Microsoft Teams. Click on it. And now you just want to reinstall it again. And this should now fix your problem.